What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy Saturday, and listen to me very carefully. Every single work from home jobs, opportunities, side hustles that you see on YouTube or see online, all of those things doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay, let me just say it again. It does not work. Let me explain to you why it doesn't work. All of these guys, all of these YouTubers that are making these work from home jobs videos, side hustles, opportunities, affiliate marketing, download apps and watch videos and all this crap. Their CPM on YouTube is sky high. The work from home niche CPM is one of the highest niches on YouTube. They get paid probably $10 per thousand views if they are lucky, if not more. Okay, so they are making thousands per month from YouTube alone. Now, what these guys are doing, these guys are giving you BS information. BS information. Okay? These guys are copying one another's content. Just watch them closely. Just watch all their videos closely. They are copying one another's content. The thumbnails are basically the same. They're giving the same info, okay, to you. They expect you to quit your 9 to 5. Okay? To do this full time. Watch surveys, watch videos. Those things pay in pennies. If you watch videos and get paid to watch videos, those people are paying you in pennies. A penny is less than a cent. Okay. The surveys, it works on your demographic. It all depends what country you come from. If you are from a first world country, you will probably get a whole lot of surveys, but the surveys they still pay little money. Like for me, I'm from South Africa, so we are third world, so basically we don't get much surveys. Everything that you hear is a lie. Don't quit your 9 to 5 to do this full time. As a matter of fact, don't even do it. Don't even do it part-time. Don't even do it at all. If you guys are subscribed to these guys, my advice is unsubscribe to them because they are liars. They like to exaggerate about how much money they make with us. If you look at the thumbnails, they will put $500, $100, $1,000. Okay, that is in the thumbnail. That is like to lure you in order for you to sign up under the affiliate link in the description. That is what these guys are doing. They are manipulating you guys. And there is a legitimate work from home YouTubers out there. There is that are actually giving you real work from home job opportunities with companies that are hiring people to work from home. Companies whereby you need to apply. That is what you call work from home. Not this crap watching videos, download apps and stuff. You know what? Let me tell you guys a story. About 2 weeks ago, I downloaded this one app. This app promised you will make when you play. It's a game. It's like a block game. It's almost like Tetris. I think this app is called Giraffe or something like that. And you will earn money by playing games. And I've played the game, so I fell for the trap. Instead of paying me the 30 US cents that they say they're gonna pay me per level, they paid me in pennies. In pennies, they paid me in pennies. Okay, so I was very, very furious because I played this game like for 1 hour. For 1 hour, I've watched the ads in the game and I still got paid in pennies. Okay, so you need to play that games 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in order just to make $2. So guys, don't believe these people, please. These people are just they're blowing smoke. They are blowing smoke. And this is real information that I'm giving you because I know I've been on YouTube for quite a long time. This is not my first YouTube channel. I've tried all of these things. I've tried affiliate marketing. I've tried this. I've tried that. I've listened to these guys. I've listened to them. I've tried forex trading. I've followed courses, signals. Nothing worked. I've lost money. I joined Herbalife back in the day. Another scam. Just live good. Another scam. Okay, so don't believe it. What works for um, the next person, it might not work for you. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to grow in affiliate marketing, okay, if you want to sell like thousands, if you want to sell thousands and thousands of product, okay, with affiliate marketing and dropshipping, you need to pay for advertising. You need to pay for advertising unless you have a massive following on all social media. Doesn't matter if it's a YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, or Snapchat, whatever. You need to have a massive following. Okay, so one video or one post will reach all your followers. So that is how you can make money. Okay, how you make sales and make money. But if you don't have, like me for example, if you don't have a massive following, then you need to pay for advertising. You have to pay for advertising. Okay? So my advice is keep your money safe. Okay? Don't quit your 9 to 5 job. Don't ever quit your 9 to 5 job. Don't believe these YouTubers. Please don't believe them. It's all lies. Please. And unsubscribe to these guys if you guys are subscribed to them because they're not giving you value. There's nothing value in these work from home YouTubers. Okay? There's no honor amongst thieves. There's no honor amongst scammers. So that is all that I want to say, guys. If you guys think that this video is informative, please like this video. Please share this video. Please comment below. And please subscribe. And please donate to my channel. My PayPal link will be in the description. Okay? A small donation will help. Okay? Towards my channel to upgrade my equipment. Currently I'm just using my mobile device. Okay? So that is it, guys. That I want to say. I'll say it again. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys for more. Peace out.